Hey! Hi! Hi! Hi? What are you doing? Hello?
Oink!
Oink.
Yes.
Okay, so, what are we doing today? Well, more like you should ask that question.
Yes. I see. This is very familiar.
Shh, they don't know that. These are supposed to be our heads. Today we're going to be making a new series called Kawaii Craft.
I thought we did this already.
No. Well, last original Kawaii Craft crashed and lost all the things and we couldn't rejoin it, so I deleted it and we added some more things, such as carry mod. So when we ship, we can carry any mob we get near. But you're like, why is there a tree and cauldrons here, Gray? Well, I shall tell you. The trees that look exactly like this, well, not exactly, but you know, small, storage, stubby, like this have chests. They're gonna be up top. I added them myself. Only the ones around spawn because I'm lazy. And now these you can actually dye water in a cauldron. Did you know that? Did you know? Stop! Why are you carrying a cow?
I came over here present.
It's a present.
Yes, I'm going to be a sheep salesman.
You're gonna be a sheep salesman? Well, this I'm stealing your sheep.
That's a cow.
No, this is your sheep, and I'm stealing him. Hey,
Dude, it's a conga line.
hey. He gets so small. You can actually carry bees,
And
which
bats,
we
I'm
played
pretty
with
sure.
earlier.
And bats, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah. We can also carry bats and pigs. We can't carry hostile mobs though. So what? Let's go. What? What? It's just on your chesticles. Like what the heck is happening?
I taped him to my chest.
You just it's like the baby carriers, you know, that like go on your stomach. You know that's your baby. You might be wondering, why are we not in survival? Because I forgot to put us in survival. Ignore why I do that right now. Well, Fish has some things
I like cows. Script?
to say.
Line?
Line. Oh my god. Takes so long to load. Thank you. Okay. Survival of the fittest. Stop kissing the cow.
No,
You're like
the
making out
cow's-
with its butt.
No, I'm making the cow kiss you.
I don't want it to kiss me.
Mwah. Mwah.
You may be wondering, why is it called Kawaii Craft? Well, if you look at the top, my hearts are bunnies and my food is carrots.
Mine aren't.
Yeah, that's because you're not kawaii enough. We've been talking for so long that it's my time. Let me fix that.
Liz,
Yeah, yes.
I'm just letting you know, I physically can't cheat. So,
Yeah.
because my viewers, they do not trust me at all.
You're not
I know, you are, so you can cheat.
But the only way we go in creative is to build our house. And to build a house, we must have 10 items of one of the hardest things that we need to build our house. So I'm going with 10 yellow glass cones.
I thought it was concrete.
Yeah, I gave up on that idea. We're going with glass planes. Let's go! This one's pretty obvious, so I'm gonna cut down the tree.
How dare you? I just wanted to cut down that tree.
But
I wanted to cut down that tree.
I'll share the goodies with you. So I'm pretty sure there's goodies in this one. Hey! Hey! You can't steal all the goodies from me. Ooh! I'm taking the cobwebs.
I got left femurs.
We got left fingers. What else was in there? What? What? Are you serious? I want some. I need half of it, okay?
Okay, I got 10, there's 5.
Okay, good. Alright, now let's go.
I also got Latin fresh, so we can turn that into leather.
Hmm?
I also got rotten flesh, so we can turn that into leather.
Oh, nice. Yeah, we can smell rotten flesh and leather. They're not in birch trees. I'm chopping down a birch tree just so I can get wood.
I'm looking for more chests.
Yeah, looking through my chest.
They're not even like close to spawn though. Like I've been looking like a lot.
You gotta cut down trees. That's the whole idea.
Well, they're not. I can't
I
find
think
any.
there's some in the village, so I'm gonna do that.
Shouldn't have said that.
Now you're gonna cut down trees.
Well, you placed them. This is unfair.
I put something in here that's okay, you can have the rest. Get a name tag. Look at my head.
I hate you.
I know. I think I should get rid of it, but like, this is so.
Get rid of what? Okay, yeah, you should probably get rid of that one. Well, I don't care. I have a diamond. Oh, I'm fine.
Okay, well, I'm keeping it.
No, that's right.
I keep trying to get rid of it. I'm gonna put I know that there's something especially for you in the PP tower.
The PP tower?
Yeah, there's a PP tower.
The hoe is so fast at getting rid of flipping leaves. Oh my god, there's yellow stained glass.
What? Are you serious? Okay, well, I'm gonna try to find the place.
A diamond shovel and rotten flesh. A diamond shovel and rotten flesh.
Yeah.
Ooh, I see another one. Ooh, saddles!
Saddles.
I got two saddles.
I think I might live somewhere around here. I don't want to be too far from spawn, but I don't want to be too close to it. You know what I mean? I feel like right here is a perfect place.
I'm probably gonna live right next to the village though.
Yeah, your always goal is to go to the village. Yeah. Planks. Crap. Is there beds in there?
No, it's not in the village.
Oh my god! I am so happy I got the cobwebs. Hi! Welcome to a new series. On Fish's channel, you may be saying, you've already done this. Well, my recording got deleted, so now we gotta just meet in the middle. But I have a yellow bed. I am starting to go to what are these flying things? Chick Kawaii and orange. Second of all, what are these flying things? Are these flying things the Kawaii? They are. I think they're birds. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's the flying things are supposed to be birds, but they just look like baby chickens flying in the wind. Okay, but anyway, go to Fish's channel if you want to know the rules and stuff, because I'm not saying them again. Okay. And, but I think I am doing pretty good so far. What I need is more yellow dye. And I know that there's sunflower fields over here, which makes it very, very convenient. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm sorry if I keep looking down. It's my controller and it's broken. I'm trying to get a new one. Jesus. Like, I'm not doing this. Makes it very hard to play Minecraft. I can't stop. Ah! Okay. It's so laggy, too. Like, not laggy, it's just like taking forever. Alright, so I think I got 6, which will meet, I can't math, but, oh my god, these flying little chickens are going to be so much during this series. I vouch to measure them all. Okay. Yeah, we have that. Black ones. Like yellow black ones. Enough. So, since now I got which now isn't that hard. But I'm along with it anyway. Fish, you've just been silent, so can I just go upstairs and move my house in Steeville? I don't know what we're doing. Hello? I don't think Fish is talking today. Yes. Okay, thank you. Also, we trapped a cat in the hole. Oh no. Fish? The cat despawned, or I think it might have killed itself because it didn't like me. That's how I feel too. So I think Fish doesn't really feel like talking today, which I can agree with. So I think I made her too traumatized. Like, you're in the Discord, I'm pretty sure. So, let's do that. Okay, but I'm gonna quickly go in beta mode. And past this point, right here, I'm just gonna speed it up. So, let's go. First, let me put on my this. Sorry for the loading, it takes forever. Oh my god. It's still loading like that. Why is it set up finally? It's back. Oh, no, there's like weird like things that shoot. I don't know. They're hard to explain. You're gonna have to go watch the Fish's channel. But I'm going to speed it up right now. my god. Spawn. Oh, it's an at spawn? Or whenever you spawn and you know, see it. Oh no. It's in the bed. Oh. So it's like really bad, I'm assuming. Oh, Jesus. Oh, God, I don't think this is okay. Fish! The speed up is just gonna be mostly useless. It's invisible? You killed it. Oh, you killed it. The drown attack me. Attack you. The drown, no. Oh wait, the drown. Oh no, vacuum. Okay, that makes me sense. I don't understand why. Sweep. That is a sweep. assuming it's sleeping. That's weird for a drown, but okay. I heard Worf. Is it a gecko? You can't tame those kinds. They're part of a mod. Oh my god, the tag! You can't tame them. You can just keep it on a leash. Yeah, there's not tame. Oh, I see you running around. The doggo is nowhere near you. Sitting down. You're not in carrying mode. Don't play that. They give you? What? I don't want that. Oh. Okay. Hold on. What did you just do? What did you do? Oh my god! Those two are funny. Oh no! Why did you kill them? Are you sure it was a rat? Okay. now. I know die. Why? Now. That makes more sense. Make a poo-poo. Okay. With a question mark thing. Block thing. Good luck, I guess, in the poo-poo. Okay. So, is this the end of your video? Make sure to like and subscribe to Fish. If you want to see more content like this, and I think, Fish, do you have supplies to build your house next? Alright, so Fish will be building your house while I edit. Does that sound good? Just don't spawn anything too bad. You got that? Mushroom. Yes, Mushroom says bye. Stop spinning around with the shroom. You're a fake lady.
Creatures in my bedroom at night.